Welcome back, students. This is part 2 of the same lecture. We were discussing the functions of string. So our next function is lower function. It is basically used to convert the given string into a lower case. See, this function was used to check whether the given function is lowercase or not. But this function allows you to check to convert basically the given string in the lowercase characters. So let us say string 1 is the string that contains capital case hello, and when it is attached to this lower function using the period operator, it will return hello in lowercase. Similarly, this function, whatever string you will be given in this lower case, it will convert it into uppercase using this upper function. Similar is the case with the title function will allow you to convert the given string into the title case. You can see all the letters are in capital in title case here. Now this function starts with or ends with. This function actually allows you to check a particular string inside the given string. Fine, and it will define you whether from where to start checking it. Fine, if it finds that particular string inside that string, though it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So let us see example for this. See, this string has been initialized to this mn variable. Now this mn variable is attached with this starts with function, and my is the subscript that is to be a substring that is to be checked inside this nm string. So it is saying ki this nm we have to check whether this, see here we have not specified the starting and ending. See, in this case here you need to mention the starting subscript and the ending subscript. If you will define it, then it will consider you're checking within these range, otherwise it will take the starting and ending by default. Fine. So here what it is doing, nm start with my, so this substring my will be checked with this nm string. Fine, so my is present, it starts with my, yes it starts with y. The list is this variable is starting strings is starting with my, so it will return true. Then it is saying ki check in this particular list, which is this actually, it whether it starts with my from fifth index is m. So it is not, it is me, it is not my, so it will return false. Start with ser from 10th subscript. 10th subscript is this blank space, right? This blank space starts with ser. No, this is starting from the blank space. 11th start from ser, so it will go false. So you can again check starts with ser, and now subscript position is 11, and it is starting 11th position is ser. Now it is true, so it will return true. Now consider this case. Here it is, in this string we need to check whether it ends with funny. So here no starting and ending point has been described, so the initial point will be from the very beginning of the string itself. Fine. So and finally we know that this string ends with funny, so it is true, so it will return true. And now it is checking with ends with funny, and the range is starting from 5 to 11. So 5 is this m, and 11 is this s. In between we cannot find any funny word here, so this will go false. Now this string checks for the funny string at 5th position. 5th position, see it is your starting point, ending point has not been described. Starting with 5, and it is searching key, it is ending it with funny. Yes, it is ending with funny because no ending point has been described, so it will move from 5 to last of it, so it will return true. I hope you have understood this now. Now next function is swap case function. Swap case function will do the swapping. It returns a copy of the string with uppercase characters converted to lowercase and vice versa. Means if you will provide uppercase, it will give you lowercase. If you give lowercase, it will provide uppercase. So string is this. Now what it will do, swap case function, it will invert the cases. See here, title case was used, so whatever was capital has become small, and whatever was in smaller case, lower case, it has been converted into uppercase. And if you are using this swap function twice, means swap case means this will give you uppercase ka lower case, and it will convert it back again. So whatever you have given will be inverted back. But in some cases this swap case function will not give you the original string back. If you want to know this, I will give you a link, you can check it out, where it could be the possibility. Fine. Okay. Next function is partition function. Partition function will allow you to split the string, okay, in different parts. So you need to provide a string for it, and then you need to provide a substring on the basis of which partitioning will be done. And if that particular string is found out, then it will do the partitioning in a way like is find out na, so it will partition it in three tuple way, three tuple containing different parts. So wherever it has been found, firstly it will partition before wala part, then the substring itself, and then rest of the string. So you will get three part if the particular substring is found in the given string. Fine. Now they are checking for okay in nm. We cannot see any okay is present here, so in that case what will be, whatever string was supplied for checking will be printed, and then two blank further partitions will be given. Fine. So if it is not present, the string will be completely returned here, then two blank partitions will be returned.